Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Sonnenberg and welcome back to week 4 of virtual learning. I can't believe it's already been 4 weeks almost. Hope that you had a wonderful Easter weekend. I'm glad you're joining me for music class again. Thank you for all the videos and pictures I got this week of people doing music classes. It brings me so much joy to see you at home with your families. This is Benny. And I know a lot of you said you enjoyed seeing him, so he's gonna help us with our Aloha today. We're gonna do 3 new languages today. We're going to say konnichiwa, which is hello in Japanese, ni hao, which is hello in Mandarin, and then we're going to say ciao, which is hello in Italian. So we're going to do our 3 new languages today. Can you say konnichiwa? Konnichiwa. And ni hao? Ni hao. And ciao. Ciao. All right, here we go. Aloha. Konnichiwa. Some say ni hao. Some say ciao. How do you say hello? Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Hello, Ben.
Hello, Mommy.
And hello, friends. See you in the next song.